guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are safe at your ends and just obeying all the rules of lockdown, and wherever you are, just be safe. So if you're seeing me for the very first time, do subscribe to my channel if you are liking the content. So today's video is going to be about how makeup can ruin your skin. So all the precautions, all the steps, all the things you have to keep in mind if you're using makeup, because before I have started doing makeup, I've heard a lot that makeup can ruin your skin. You will get breakdowns, you will be habitual of doing makeup, your base skin won't look good, and a lot of things like that. So yeah, if you're interested in knowing all of these things, please keep on watching. So guys, do you think makeup is really all that bad for your skin? Of course it depends upon your skin type, your skin conditions, if you're having any allergies, if you have any sensitivities towards, a lot of chemicals or things like that. But guys, a lot of dermats, they claim that makeup hasn't any downside for a lot of women. So makeup is not bad for everyday usage. It just depends on how you're cleaning it. Yeah, if you have, a lot of residues, leftovers in your skin after you have cleaned your makeup, it's not making any sense. You're definitely, going to have a lot of breakdowns. So I have some basic ingredients right here which you don't want to look for in your makeup. So don't go for mineral oil products, lanolin and DC colorants. So yeah, after reading a lot of, things, I've came to this conclusion. A lot of makeup which consists of all of these three things are, harming a lot of women. And how the colorants, they are basically a lot of chemicals. So you don't want your skin to be, coming in contact with all of these chemicals each and every day. And the mineral oil I am saying you don't want to use in your makeup, because it is the extra oil which we actually extract from vegetable oils and things like that. If your skin is very, very oily, you are not supposed to use mineral oil products, because it is going to give you that extra oil. You already have sebum in your pores, and that oil, it will be clogging your pores and resulting into breakouts. So guys, as long as you're using good quality makeup which is made for your skin type, I don't think there's any harm in using makeup each and every day. Also, what kind of makeup you guys will be looking for? So also, what kind of makeup you guys should look for is mineral makeup. Mineral makeup is the best for each and every skin type, because mineral makeup doesn't contain any wax, additives, colorants, chemicals, and all of those things which are not supposed to look for in our makeup. Mineral makeup is exactly the opposite of that. Also, mineral makeup is a compressed form of pure minerals. So basically, if you are applying the correct type of mineral makeup for your skin, in fact, it is going to help your skin to, build up in a very nice way. Your skin will be flawless. Your skin won't have any breakouts. So a lot of people say that if you're applying a thick layer of makeup on your skin is not breathing. Guys, your skin never breathes. Your lungs do that. And, a lot of dermats, they claim that your skin never breathes. In fact, it just, sheds a layer of cells, the old cells down. So if you are sleeping with, a lot of makeup on your skin, so my point is that you guys should not wear makeup to your bed, because your skin sheds once in a while. And if you're going to your bed, with all that makeup, the process will be slower, and yeah, it can cause breakouts. There are some habits that you guys can adapt if you don't want makeup to ruin your skin. So yeah, number one is cleanse your face before going to bed. So if you're not falling into any kind of skincare routine, just make this a routine. Before going to bed, you have to cleanse your face, like with cleanser, face wash and everything. You're double cleansing, or whatever you're into, just clean your face before going to bed. It will help. It will really help. Number two is to clean your brushes. They can hold a lot of bacteria. If you're using correct makeup, the correct skincare in the correct way, and your tools are dirty, not making any sense. Guys, number three is, it is not a habit but a mindset that, don't make your skincare routine a full-time job. Yeah, just keep it real. Try to keep it, as real as your as you're bathing, as you're doing, all of those general things in your life, like brushing your teeth. So yeah, just try and keep it real. Try and use a lot of natural products, no chemicals. And yeah, so this was my video. I hope it was a little useful for you all. If it was, give me a thumbs up, and yeah, subscribe to this channel. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, you all stay safe and happy. Bye bye.
I just wanna say